The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Not to get into your system, you know. Because you know, every car carry a good engine, but I don't want for the coronavirus. See that, so that when you drink that one, no form of bacteria in your system are going to live.
No, maybe you turn around, because they not see.
Upon that one, you point with finger. When I say coronavirus.
The man say have the drinks to the coronavirus.
The 7 different herbs, the one I designed for the nerves. When man drink it, the woman are talking a proverb. This are 5 days. Coronavirus.
Only in Jamaica.
It's a affordable condition of the country. It's deplorable. You say, the woman them look adorable. See it when I say, and then I want this kind of disease that come floor, you know, tour, you know. See that where people them don't have to drink nerves, things with herbs, to build up on the nerves. And then look, mama talking a proverbs, mark my word. The health come first. You never watch all the movie with Nicolas Cage when people don't know them age. Come like the days of slave when slave master lick where we can't behave when our 12 people are buried at the same grave. Watch you now. Which movie may I tell about? The one named Cyrus the Virus with Nicolas Cage. People are run up and down and don't even know them age. Come my father, come place your
hold on. They said this year coronavirus.
Yeah man, 7 different herbs.
Nowhere else. Hold on, hold this.
The health is your wealth. I want to see driver change him time in bed. See then pay for fame, you know. That means my insurance are not going to do it. You can't see it, see that? You pay for fame. I know it's not going to do it. Prevent the doctor from save.
Prevent the doctor from save.
Too much out of the people in body are leak out. Too down me have to come on social media and speak out.
And speak out.
See the way people them there. The one them are good for the corona. Along with beetroot and carrot with the jimbling for stop the trembling. Some addicted to the gambling. Why the fumbling? What about the pumpkin and never does something? Remember, a bird can't fly per one wing. And when you have your system, you never see a vehicle drive without good engine. Watch out, corona.
Corona, man.
So don't do it harder, see it, yeah? You have the one where bigger. Good for your kidney and your liver. Only God can deliver. See it, I don't think on a clever, I don't think on a get way. Every day in a year, some people get killed over 80 and then put them on the man and say God hate it. But right now, look what stretch before it. We have to know how we do. Say time of people are good over evil. Life is a cycle. The number. Get it straight.
Get it
Make sure
straight.
say your heart rate and your blood vessel them are degenerate and are calculate. Where people them there?
What are they?
All of them lyrics are there on tape. Health is your wealth.
Yeah, only they are foreign and our friend. Jamaica find the cure for the coronavirus.
Call the number. Call the number is a number where you can't remember. Right now we're in a March and some are September. See the watch this. See the argument straight. The virgin are calculate. See the way people them the some man a ball up, but when them all them woman are premature ejaculate. See the way people them. And you look in our fridge, young boy like you.
Yes, baby, multiply.
Multiply. See that as long as you get the good supply, the limit is the sky. See the whole head high, you will make it by your child.
I drop the number already, you know.
Yes,
them drop the number already, you know. People see me, I say no when me can't pass it.
Hey, tell you well. And the one that good for you, prevent the doctor from look for you. Number 710, 28, get the argument straight. You can't have one body and have it a degenerate.
Yeah.
I'm not doing all the other
Give me a cheese of a run.
Yeah, but that's a bill 50 young boy.
Me say people, me not lie. Me say there's no way. The man say him find the cure for the coronavirus. Me buy a buckle.
Yeah,
me buy one buckle for myself.
Yeah, man. 83 ball come drive. You have to survive, but I walk on your job. The important thing is that you arrive. Young boy, big up.
Me say no, man. There's no way. Matter of fact, me never a water me never buy. No, me still buy my water. Then number the pan them, then number the pan them. Right. Watch out if you call them. Right. Man, you know no do. Mr. The man find the cure for coronavirus and you can't stay there. Don't buy it. You go run go buy them before they're done. Wow, water. How then there?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I just presented a video to you that shows of a person selling some juice. You see what I'm saying to you? And according to what has been said on social media is that these juices are juices, isn't it? It is said that these juice is considered to be natural juice. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I soon get into that video. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want each and every one to listen to what I'm about to say, because I am not here to mislead anyone out there. You see what I'm saying to you? So listen to what I'm about to say right now. Now, I believe that natural juice, or fruit juice as some persons would call it, even the fruit itself, you know, I believe that those things is good for your health. I believe it builds your immune system, you see me, or so on, you see me. But I cannot look at anyone and tell them that there is a natural juice out there, or there is a fruit juice out there that can cure no coronavirus. No, I cannot tell anyone that. You get me? I am not a doctor, I am not a scientist, I have no proof of that. You see what I'm saying to you? So therefore, I'm making it very clear. You see me? Yes, fruit juice is good for you. You see me? But at the same time, I do not have any proof that there is any fruit juice or there is any natural juice out there that can cure no coronavirus. Again, I am not no doctor nor no scientist. So therefore, I cannot tell anyone that. You see me? So I'm going to make sure I make that very clear. You see what I say? Because, you know, ever since this coronavirus thing come out, you know, a lot of persons out there saying this cure coronavirus and this to cure coronavirus and that for coronavirus and all kind of thing. And all kind of thing them attack we can help about COVID-19. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, the best thing I can tell anyone out there is that if they ever find themselves ill with this thing that is called the COVID-19 or coronavirus, is to get medical attention. Go to the necessary authorities, go to the doctor, go clinic, go anywhere that you know is of persons that are trained for something like this and certified. You get me? Alright. Well, we're going to move on to the next video right about now, viewers and subscribers. And this video is out on social media. And according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows of a person that is in a hospital. And according to what has been said on social media is that this person is a person that is infected with the coronavirus or had caught the coronavirus or so on, however you'd call it. But according to what has been said on social media is that this person is a victim of the coronavirus. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where persons are wishing this person well, you know, and all kinds of, you know, good wishes being sent to this person and so on, and persons are concerned, you know, a lot of things have been said about this video on social media. You see me? Now, I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, you can also tell me what you think about this video as well, and I hope that by showing you, my viewers and subscribers, this video, it might give you an understanding as to what it is like during, you know, this whole thing where it is said that a person is infected with the coronavirus and probably being quarantined or in a hospital. You see what I'm saying to you? Under medical care and so on. You see me? Alright, now I'm going to show you this video right about now, viewers and subscribers. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like come present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Let's see.
With your permission there.
Yeah. See, nobody knows who you are either. They're just looking at this guy with all this equipment on. You funny.
Hey, man, that was on there.
Yeah, that was us. We were on there right now. That's you. And that's me. Yep. So.
Is there audio or just video?
Audio too.
Right.
Yep. Everybody's looking at you wondering. They've been waiting for days to see if I was gonna live. Now, I don't know what the over/under was, but I would have put money on I was gonna die. So I'd have lost all my money. I'd have had to live and lose all.
I'm glad you're doing better. So hey, every day better, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Tell your brother I said, what's up?
I'm like, you want me to tell him?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Sure, I got your permission.
Absolutely.
All right. Okay.
All right. I'll see you.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Yes. I haven't dyed my sexy in a couple of weeks. I look like an old man. We gotta fix this. I had to wait and make sure I wasn't gonna die. So I couldn't be on Facebook and die on Facebook. What's up, Cliff, Mary, Lynn? Hey, so now y'all can tell everybody I'm the coronavirus guy. And now you all know, because I saw nobody for 2 weeks before I got sick. And you know how much I love that elliptical. I was down to 212 pounds. Without the elliptical, I'm down to 202 now. Yeah, that's the cough. I'm not out of the woods, but I am better every day. Starting 2 days ago, I started getting better.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posted. You understand me yet? Alright, so this is where we leave it. You can let me know what you think about these two videos I just presented to you. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.